Now friends, as some of you know, we also have a very successful WhatsApp group and Telegram channel where we discuss a lot of profitable stock opportunities. Now the performance in that has been spectacular, especially with the trading group where our capital has grown at least 30 to 40% over the last 3 to 4 weeks. If you want to go ahead and join our Telegram and WhatsApp groups where we discuss profitable stock opportunities, please go ahead and open a completely free Upstocks trading account through the link provided in the first pinned comment or in the description. Not only the fact that you will be added to our WhatsApp and Telegram groups, you will also be entitled to a completely free stock gift from Upstocks. So friends, hurry, please go ahead and join the group. I think it will be enriching for your network.
Now, having seen how you could go ahead and join our Telegram channels, let's get back to the main purpose for this video. In this video, we'll be talking about a tiny small cap where Ashish Kacholia has bought 1,66,287 shares during the last quarter. His stake in the company has gone up to 2.23% at the end of the current quarter from 1.89% at the end of the last quarter. Also friends, if you like the content that we produce on our channel, please don't forget to like this video, share these videos, and if you have not already subscribed to this channel, please click on the red subscribe button below. This will help you get notified whenever we upload a new video. Please watch this video to know more. Now the company in question is DFM Foods Limited, which is available at Rs 233.40 and the face value for it is 2. The symbol for it is DFM. Now DFM Foods Limited is an India-based company engaged in manufacturing and marketing of snack foods. The company markets corn rings and wheat puffs under the Cracks and Nutcut brand names. Now, as is evident from the one-year chart, this company has not really created any major wealth for its shareholders and is closing the year at almost the same levels that it started in. The market cap of the company is 1,179.30 crores, which means that this company is a small cap one. The EPS of 6.54 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 35.99, which is much cheaper when compared with the industry PE of 51.34. The price to book ratio of 9.13, however, is on the high side. The company's debt to equity is also high at 0.8097, whereas the return on equity for this company is a fabulous number at 0.2828. The dividend yield is 0.53%, whereas the promoter holding is below average and stands at 38.27%, out of which nothing is pledged. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all of the content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not already subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so.